Hello viewers, you are looking at the oil that is leaking from the front fork suspension. It's a sign we need to change the front fork oil and seal as well. Lifting the oil seal cap, you can see the oil seal. We need to replace it because it is leaking. This is the front fork oil 160 ml. Cost is 55 rupees. This is the oil seal that is already broken on the bike. We need to replace it as well. Let me show you the old oil how it looks. It turned into dark color. It is a bad sign. After every 2 years we need to change the front fork oil. So this is the new oil. Look at the color when I open the seal. It's a pure white in color. Please visit my channel for full video. I have uploaded it already. Next day when I checked, there is no sign of oil leaking since the oil seal is replaced and oil is also replaced. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you have any questions regarding this topic, leave your questions in the comment section. I will reply them immediately. Thanks for watching. Have a safe ride.